Hey guys, it is June 13th and welcome back to my channel. It's currently 8:06 right now, and a few days ago I posted a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow my Instagram, definitely go follow it, and follow all my socials. It'll be right here on the screen and also down below in the description box. I posted a poll on my Instagram asking which video you guys would like to see next week. It was between this, a day in my life, or a Q&E, and it was very close, but day in my life did win, so that's what I'm here to do for you guys today. Right now I haven't been doing a lot this summer, so maybe I'll do something spontaneous for today's video, but I probably won't be. Oh, it's 8:07. Okay, I need to get in my car. Oh, a few more grapes. So right now I'm getting ready to leave for a soccer camp that I've been coaching. I've been coaching 5- and 6-year-olds, super cute. It really tests my patience because I'm really not a patient person. So they're helping me learn to be patient. So I will see you guys once camp is over. Later. Back from camp. It's currently 12:42 right now, and as you can see, I just took a shower. But right now I'm about to go eat some lunch. I'm either gonna make a quesadilla or have some leftover cheese sticks from Papa John's. I'm not quite sure, but today I might be working on FLVS. I have Florida Virtual School, that stands for. I'm taking PE online, so yeah, it's not great, but whatever. And then Mia and I are supposed to be going to the mall today, but let's see if we actually go. We probably will not be going because if Mia feels like it, depends on her. So see you guys in a bit. So right now I'm currently watching Daddy Daycare. If you watch this movie, give this video a thumbs up. Oh my gosh, this movie was my childhood. It was so good. Okay guys, I made grilled cheese, can't wait to eat it, and I have some apple juice, and almost done with Daddy Daycare. Right now I am listening to the set list for LMDC since I'm gonna be going to that concert in a few weeks. I'm so excited. But anyways, I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, not full face, just maybe some concealer and powder, I don't really know. But yeah, and then Mia is going to come over here and we're gonna go to the mall. Makeup is complete. Okay guys, makeup is complete. All I did was concealer, powder, and mascara. I look really gross still, but we're just gonna do the hair. Okay, makeup and hair is complete, and now I'm just gonna put on some clothes and I'm ready to go. Hey guys, right now I am at Mia's house, and I'm just waiting for her to get home so we could go to the mall. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna go say hi to her brother and sister. Hey! Oh, why'd you run? Why are you running?
Why are you running?
That was a stranger. I was walking to go downstairs to eat something, and then I just see the hi vlog. I'm the vlog takeover, guys. So
yeah, I'm just not realizing how loud and annoying I actually am.
what type of animal can you not trust on a test?
I can't think of it.
A cheetah.
A cheetah, I get it. Show them your face. You're like,
I did. They know it's beautiful.
hi, my love. Tell me how I sound even more annoying and that Mia's hi was so unpleasant. Like, she didn't even want me there, which is 98% true. But, I mean, we shared boba tea today, so that's a plus. As you can see, I'm back in the bathroom, so see, I'm back from the mall. Yeah, I don't really know why I always film in here, but I guess the lighting, I don't know, whatever. I'm just gonna talk to you guys while I wash my face. So I didn't film going to a mall, like, cause I'm just awkward like that, and didn't want to get judged more than I already did today. I didn't actually buy any clothes. Like, I'm surprised. I'm probably gonna go back tomorrow or Friday and buy actual clothes, but I only spent money on food. That's why I'm broke. But I got my dad, okay, so I got my dad Cinnabon, and then this Chinese place, and then I got myself some Chinese food. Well, actually no. I got my dad like Japanese food. Not really Japanese food, but it was like a Japanese restaurant. I got myself Chinese food, and then I got my dad Cinnabon. So I was just holding all this food, and some people were staring at me thinking, like, she has all this food. But don't be fooled, guys. I eat a lot, even though it doesn't look like it. So yeah, that was, so yeah, I didn't vlog it. I was just hanging out with Mia and stuff, so I didn't really feel like I needed to film it. There was nothing really going on there. But yeah, this was the day in my life video. Like, this is actually a productive day so far. My summer, like, whenever I come home from camp, I usually just take a nap or I just watch Netflix, but like, I actually did stuff today, so I'm kind of proud of myself. Yeah, so that was my day in my life. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. I'm sorry my life isn't that interesting right now, but I do have some exciting events, like vacation and my concert that I will definitely be filming and talking to you guys about. So yeah, look out for that in the future. So again, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye!